Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned cream corn taste better. First, melt 1 tablespoon of butter into your corn for a richer flavor. Next, stir in a splash of milk or heavy cream to achieve a wonderfully smoother texture. Finally, don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to truly enhance its natural taste. These simple steps make a big difference. To further boost the flavor, try adding a small pinch of sugar. It really brings out the corn's natural sweetness. For a deeper, more savory profile, stir in about a half teaspoon of garlic powder. And if you love a creamy, cheesy touch, a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar or Parmesan cheese melts beautifully into the warm corn, adding fantastic richness. For improved texture and a burst of freshness, mix in 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen corn kernels. This adds a delightful pop. A sprinkle of 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh chives or parsley at the end brightens the dish considerably. Remember to cook your corn gently over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to meld all the flavors. For more creative additions, consider stirring in 2 slices of crumbled, crispy cooked bacon for a smoky, salty crunch. If you enjoy a little heat, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can add a subtle, exciting kick. You could also sauté 1/4 cup of diced bell peppers and onions, then mix them in for extra color and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.